Later, yeah, I'm cuffed up with my baby girl.
What is up, everybody? It's your girl D. This video is going to be a trial video for a product that I found at Walgreens that I was like, what the f is this? So I was at Walgreens the other day and I found this, and it is a eyebrow stamp. I guess it's supposed to be so you can literally stamp on your eyebrows without having to draw more or anything like that. Mess free, never struggle with your brows again, instant brow color, and this color is dark brown. Stamp on your brows, no more uneven brow shapes, length, or thickness. A mess free, quick, easy application that covers sparse areas and creates perfect natural looking eyebrows every time. So that's what the back of the label says. There's some instructions here. I don't really know if this is going to work. The only reason why I bought this is because it's my favorite all-time drugstore brand of cosmetics, which is Kiss. All the products I've ever used worked out perfect for me. I've used their press-on nails. I've used their eyelashes. Their eyelashes are bomb. I've used numerous products from them and they all work amazing. So I was just really curious about this eyebrow stamp. It's just, I've never seen nothing like this before, so I'm gonna try it. On the label, it says, be sure your skin is moisturized with primer or liquid foundation. So what I'm gonna do is, I literally just woke up like right now, so I don't have any makeup or anything on, so I'm gonna go prime my face and then do my foundation, and then we're gonna do the brow stamp. The primer I'm gonna use is by Hard Candy, and this is also a drugstore primer. So we're gonna prime. Now I'm just gonna throw on some foundation, and the foundation that I'm gonna be using is ColourPop's new No Filter Matte Foundation. Okay, so I have on my foundation, I have on all the coverage that I want. So the next step is press brow stamp face down onto brow powder to add color to the stamp. So let me open it first. It says patent pending. Okay, so this looks like it's the stamp. I don't know, these look kind of thin for me. So, oh, that's another, oh, that's the other eye. Okay, so it looks like the stamps fit in this little container like this. They just snap in. So this is the right eyebrow, and then this would be, you know, your left eyebrow. Okay. What the fuck? Okay, so it says press brow stamp face down onto brow powder to add color. So I'm going to do that. I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows up just a little bit. This doesn't have anything on it. This is just like an old mascara thing that I use to just brush out my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna brush them out so they're not all, you know, thick and rough looking. Just kind of smooth them out a little bit. And I think I'm gonna start with the right brow. So brow stamp open. Let me get this. Is the right eyebrow. I do not know if this is going to work. Position stamp at your brow bone and determine placement, then gently press stamp against skin and press. Okay, so my brows, these are my brows. I don't have anything on them at all. Nothing's on my brows. So I have brows. It's not like I don't have any. And on the front of this, it says cover sparse areas. So really, you know, when I do my brows, I just shape them off in the front and then fix them in the back. So maybe this will work, but the front of this is round. I don't like that. So let's try it. So I'll put it right there. Is that right? Oh no, this isn't gonna work. Just tried to wipe some of it off. I'm gonna try it again. This is the left eye I'm trying now. I'm gonna try to put the front down first and then like roll it off like this and see if that works. It would be nice if they, you know, put a little mirror right here. So this is the brow powder. They should have a mirror right here, because that's really small and like close up where you could, you know, get that. Kiss products, I love you, but this brow stamp is gonna be a no for me. Like, I mean, I don't really know. No, I don't really know what to expect. I don't really know like what is the best outcome of it. But as for me, or maybe it's just the shape, but I feel like if you use this stamp, you're gonna have to go in with a pencil or a brow brush anyway, so you might as well just do your eyebrows yourself, like from the jump. Like, don't even waste the time. This would probably be really good for somebody who doesn't have eyebrows at all, or if your eyebrows are very, very thin, just because it does make a shape, like an outline, so then you can probably go in with a pencil or a brush and kind of shape it from there. But I already have a shape to my eyebrows. I already know what shape I like for my eyebrows. This isn't the particular shape that I like for my eyebrows, and I have eyebrows, so it's kind of hard to stamp over hair, I feel like, because it's darker up here, but the part where I don't have any hair, it's not really, you know, dark enough. Over here it is a little bit, but not. I'm still gonna have to go in with a pencil or a brush anyway. So as for this Kiss brand, y'all know I love them so much, but I'm gonna say it's gonna be a no for me. Maybe it would work better if it wasn't powder, if it was more like an eyebrow like dip, like that kind of consistency. This is a powder. I feel like this is just, it's not staying, it's gonna brush right off. Like, yeah, it's like I can do this and the powder is already lightening and coming off. They do look natural though, I will give them that. This product, this brow stamp, I believe it was like $7.99, and I did get it from Walgreens. So if you're interested in maybe giving it a try, $7.99 at Walgreens. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thumbs up if you like it. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next.